flew into a closed window.
Again?
Well, in my defence, it was newly cleaned.
Oh, I detest newly cleaned windows. So deceptive.
They're the worst.
Oh, indeed.
I flew in and I realised the situation that I was in fact in someone's living room. I went to fly out and then I smashed my head into every closed window in the house until I finally found the open one.
It's the humiliation that brings me undone.
Oh, the embarrassment is worse than this headache.
So much worse. Mortifying.
Last week, I flew into a room full of children.
Oh, a children's party? Human children are the worst.
Awful. Bloody awful.
Indeed.
They chased me. I could still hear the children shrieking.
Terrible.
I'm not sure I've recovered.
No, that takes time. Have you thought of talking to someone?
I'll be alright. I'll be alright.
Oh.
What is it?
Our reputation is shot.
Oh, I know.
People used to delight in us once.
We had class.
Now we're considered vermin of the air.
What pigeons?
Oh God, no. We're a step up from pigeons.
Bats with wings.
Exactly. It only takes a few uncouth gulls to ruin our image.
Oh, so true. I mean, Gary and his flock, they're so lazy. They eat out of bins. They think it's badass, all Breaking Bad.
How will we ever restore our image?
Uh-oh. Look out. Here comes trouble.
Harry? Jerry?
Gerald.
So what are you two Nancy boys on about?
I'm quite sure you wouldn't understand, Larry, Gary, Barry,
Gary, as you well know, Gary,
Lawrence. We were lamenting the loss of our once poetic image.
well, my advice to you two would be to get over it. There was no takeaway back then. No nice feed of leftover matters when we got a bit peckish.
No, we didn't resort to bins. Our forefathers were noble fishermen of the sea. We didn't resort to the bins. We used to fly around, fish, chasing those pilchards.
I get a bit tired of fishing myself. It gets boring out there on the ocean, bobbing up and down.
That's funny. I like your business. Bobbing up and down. You can really go over the top. You can really go like bobbing up and down. If you wanted to, go all out, mate.
Just do that bit of fish.
Okay, we didn't resort to the bins. We're noble fishermen of the sea.
I get a bit tired of fishing myself. It gets boring out there, bobbing up and down on the ocean. Anyway, I'll catch you two later.
Oh, to think Hitchcock made a film about us. He made a film about us. Don't laugh on the stage. Okay.
Maybe we should migrate.
Where to?
Canada.
The gulls there are huge. What are you guys still nattering?
Oh, that's it.
Gulls there are huge. The gulls there are huge.
Oh, I know, I know, sorry.
They got wingspans of like 4 meters, and they like dive and they got hook beaks, and they could tear the seagulls apart, man. I watched a YouTube clip of this one hunting, and it just like took this one. You know what? They bite their head, they push it underwater, then they get their hook beaks and they rip out their guts, and they just eat them slowly. They could just slap, and they, you know what? Each big Canadian seagull can eat one at a time.
That's good information, but it's way too long. I don't know what's more sport.
Okay.
Because Gary's not mine.
Okay. Well, you can use it if you want. There we go. Fisherman of the Sea, there you go, page. I get a bit tired. Film. You two are still nattering, yeah. The goals there are huge. You still
Sorry,
nattering.
I think I'm going to have to work on not losing.
No, don't even talk about it now, mate. Don't even prime yourself to think about it. Just say it's unprofessional. You'll never work again. If you laugh on stage, you don't. There's no film take two. We don't work again.